If you want to add fingerprint on a Nothing phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then we need to proceed to security and privacy. Now over here in security and privacy we're gonna go to the device unlock option, and in here we should be able to find the fingerprint option. Of course we need to have a screen lock password to be able to create the fingerprint sensor. There's also an information about the screen protector, so if you have a screen protector applied, the fingerprint sensor might not work just as well as without the screen protector. We're gonna tap on setup in the bottom right corner, and now we should be able to hold over here. We just have to touch and hold our finger on this circle, so this is where the sensor is located, and then you want to lift your finger. And you want to keep doing this, so touch and hold and then lift your finger until this whole symbol that we have in the middle, on the middle of the screen, fills in with this red color. So we're just gonna keep touching and holding, and then once you feel like a vibration, then you can lift your finger. And try to scan your finger from every angle possible, so touch in different ways, from all the sides. There we go. There's also, you might also encounter some tips, like you can place the edges of your finger, and now at some point, so even the phone suggests you to use different sides of your finger. This ensures that whenever you touch the sensor at any point by holding your finger any way you want to or you can, it ensures that it works. So there we go. Once we have this check, once we have the information that the fingerprint was added, we can just tap on and done in the bottom right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.